Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to make a new disk. So before starting the video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Now let's start the video. You can see that there are two disks in my laptop. I will create new disk from 465 GB disk. To create new disk, right click on this PC, go to Manage. Go to Disk Management. Right-click on the disk from which you want to create a new disk. Click on Shrink. Enter the space you want to convert into new disk. An unallocated space will be created. Right-click on this disk. Click on New Simple Volume. A new disk is created. Now I am showing you in my computer. So finally you can see that my disk is created successfully. If you still have issues in disk creation or any other issue in computer, then you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.